Hi everyone, I'm Lamm, video conferencing business development specialist here at Jenne Distributing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Poly X52 and TC10 bundle, and let's get started. Alright, so inside the overpack box, we're going to have a lot of bubble wrap, TC10 box, and the X52 box. All right, so we have the X52 box here. Get into it. And the first thing that come out is the paperwork for warranty and the quick start guide. Keep a track of this. It has a QR code that will take you to a web page to walk you through the entire install process. It's great to have, and don't lose it. And here we have the power supply. And then on this side, we have the mount, and then a HDMI cable and a Ethernet cable, both of which you will need. And now we will get out the main attraction, Poly's X52, one of the newest in the lineup. All right, here on the front of the X52 is the main attraction, the 20 megapixel 4K sensor that has the AI built into it, and it has a 95-degree field of view for those medium-sized conference rooms that this is designed for. And then you have the speakers here along with the 6 built-in mics. And then on the back, on one side, you have Ethernet, USB, and the expansion mic slot, along with power. Then on the other side, you have the HDMI display ports, ingest, and then USB for BYOD control. So on the Poly X52, it supports Teams rooms, Zoom rooms, and Google Meet. And one thing to note, the included mount in the box is the display mount. So the wall mount and table mount options are sold separately. So let's unbox the Poly TC10. This is a 10-inch touch display used for controlling the room. And when you first unbox it, you'll get some regulatory paperwork. There's also the wall mount template. Make sure you don't lose that if you plan on wall mounting it. Now, take out the touch display, the table stand for it, and then in the secret compartment on the bottom, have the Ethernet cable, which is the power cable. This is a PoE powered device. And then it also comes with the wall and glass mount for it. And that's it. On the TC10, either side has a light strip to indicate whether the room is open or in use, or if the system is in mute, it'll be red. When it's open, it's green. And then there is a motion sensor here on the display as well. On the back, we have the one PoE power port, and then this is where you connect the table mount. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the Poly X52 and TC10. If you're interested in learning more about how to sell, install, or just more about Poly products, feel free to like, subscribe, and contact your Jenne representative.